Welcome to JW Marriot Camelback Inn. This is the lobby bar called the R Bar. I'm Trudy Thomas, Director of Beverage, and I'm making our new Taiku cocktail called the Wildflower. It is made with the Taiku coconut nigori, the Taiku soju, and the Sadela acai liqueur. I'm also using some key limes, some strawberries, and some flowers from our bartender's herb garden. I'm just going to start out muddling a medium-sized strawberry that I cut to make it easier to muddle into a paste. To that, we're going to add some fresh key lime juice, some fresh juiced pineapple, a medium egg white, an ounce each of the Taiku sakis, and just a splash of the acai liqueur. I'm going to shake this up very nice and frothy. And it's going to be strained into a chilled cocktail glass. Using some Fee Brothers cranberry bitters for the bright color and for their aromatics. I'm going to add 4 dots to the top. Swirl those into a pattern. And then garnish it with an edible flower, which comes from our bartender's herb garden here on property. And that's our wildflower cocktail.